What's up? I don't know why I'm copying. What's going on, guys? That's more like it.
What is line?
What's going on, guys? So this video is going to talk about alcohol because last week when I went to a wedding, a few of you guys asked me how am I able to drink alcohol. So this video is to explain how you guys can be able to enjoy a few drinks yet still be able to reach your fitness goals. So that's what we're going to talk about. So let's get started. Boom! Crap, did I break it? So here's what we're going to go through. There's 4 different options, as you could probably see in the board picture, whatever. But option 1, this is strictly liquor right now. Let's say 1 shot or 1 drink is about 100 calories. Most likely you're going to have 2 of them. So let's just say it's 200 calories. Option 1 says that if you want to drink those 200 calories worth of drinks, then you can do cardio. So let's just say on a normal day you do 200 calories of cardio, but because you're having these 2 drinks later on, you should add 200 calories more to that cardio. So that gives you a total of 400 calories that you need to burn. That's option 1. Pretty simple? Yes. Option 2 is when we go into more of the macros. So let's just say you have those 2 drinks, so it's 200 calories, and you want to use your carbs instead of doing cardio. So 1 gram of carb is 4 calories, and so you take the 200 calories, divide that by 4, and you get 50 grams of carbs. Now 50 grams of carbs is a lot of carbs, especially for me because I only have about 180 now, and so option 2 is probably not what I'm going to do. So we'll go to option 3. Option 3 is that you take those same 200 calories worth of drinks and you could use your fats. So fats is 9 calories, so 200 divided by 9 give you 22 grams of fats. Now that's again still quite a bit because I take about 45 to 50 grams of fat, and so I don't want half of that coming from just 2 drinks per se, or 50 grams of carbs coming from, again, 2 drinks. So here's option 4. Option 4 is a combination of all 3 of these that you just saw. So let's just say you take those 2 drinks, which is about 200 calories, and you do 100 calories worth of cardio. That leaves you with just 100 calories left of the drinks, and you can split that up even more to your carbs and your fats. So let's say 50% of your calories from the 100 left goes to carbs, and then 50 goes to fat. That means you only have 12 grams of carbs to subtract, or 5 to 6 grams of fats. So in total, you'd only be doing 100 extra calories. So instead of 400, you would do 300, and then you would take out 12 grams of carbs instead of the 50, and then 5 to 6 grams of fats instead of the 22. That's what it's like. So if you guys want to screenshot this, here it is. And so I hope that gives you a better idea. Now let's go to beer and wine. So most likely you're going to be drinking this instead of liquor all the time. And so the thing with beer and wine is that it has macros and it has empty calories. So mostly liquor is just all empty calories, so you don't really have to worry about all this extra math. But 1 beer Corona, let's just take that for an example, it's 148 calories, 0 fat, 0 protein, and 13 grams of carbs. Now that might seem a little weird because if you go with the 1 gram of carb equals 4 calories, and you multiply 13 times 4, that only gives you 52 calories. So that doesn't equal the 148 that it says on the bottom. So where are those coming from? Those 96 calories, those are coming from alcohol, which 1 gram of alcohol is equal to 7 calories. Now, you could take those 96 calories that are left over from the drinks and go through option 1, 2, 3, or 4 and be able to fit that in. And so, with the 13 grams of carbs, you're already subtracting 30 grams of carbs. So if you're going to have to subtract another extra from the carbs, that's just more that you have to subtract to fit in that 1 beer. And so, yeah, so when my diet gets to the point where I'm going to have to start doing these maths, I just don't drink because I prefer not to go with all this hassle and have to figure that out and see, oh, like if I'm having this drink, am I having that drink? Am I having a beer, a shot, liquor? And so I just prefer not to drink in that case. But if you do see me drink, just know that I don't give a